I love movies that give me a fright. If the subject is horror, I've got to see more, or I won't be contented all night. You might call it a fiendish obsession. It's a subject on which I get chatty, but the worst one, it seems, haunting all of my dreams, is the cockroach that ate Cincinnati. I've seen ghosts, hobgoblins, and witches, and a moth-eaten werewolf with fangs. Monsters that clatter, monsters that chatter, and a Japanese monster with bangs. Frankenstein gives me the shakes, and Count Dracula, he drives me back. But they're not on a par with the worst one by far, the cockroach that ate Cincinnati. Die, 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 dum. Die, die, dum. Die, 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 dum. Now he must have needed a seltzer. It's amazing how much he got down. For lunch he would chew up a suburb or two. For dinner he ate the whole town. But when he gulped down Skyline chili, 5 weight please, the defense weapon of Cincinnati, with beans, the explosions within him completely undid him, the cockroach that ate Cincinnati. Oh, my heart nearly stopped. He will never be topped, the cockroach that ate Cincinnati.